Gonna do some bonus flight footage here. I'm gonna put the Bearcat up one more time in windy conditions. I want to get this battery discharged a little bit. See how we do here.
Gear up. Safe mode.
Well, non-safe takeoff again. I get bad at that. Oh, that was great. I realize I'm out of safe, and then I overcorrect.
AS3X mode.
In that, all that movement, that's what 65% elevator.
Safe mode.
Gusty again. And flying with flaps in. Another thing I'm getting bad at, not pulling up.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Got the new IX14 transmitter. I'm starting to get stuff set over to that, and then you can touch a button or touch one of your switches, and it'll tell you where it's at. I apparently can really use that.
Gear down. Takeoff flaps.
Right, touch and go here. Of course, as soon as I do that, really, the wind just really picked up. I don't think we're gonna go around. It just straightened out to the west though, so we'll try to make another approach here. At least I'm not dealing with the crosswind at the moment, it feels like. Not bad for as windy as it is. If there wasn't much wind, it would have been buttery smooth. Nice in that regards. But I think we're going to bring this to a stop now. I just got another gust here. And I like this plane too much to be taking too much chances with it. And again, it discontinued. Or maybe Arrows will bring it back, but can be. I don't see many tail draggers that you can control like that with this wind. Probably hearing it on the microphone now. Alright, again, footage. Thanks, YouTube.